Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you a quick recipe of fenugreek leaves. It's a fenugreek tikki without onion, garlic and chickpea flour. For making this yummy tikki, I took 2 green chili, half inch ginger and 1 cup soaked dal. I took 3/4 cup pigeon peas and 1/4 cup red lentils and soaked it for half an hour. After half an hour, drain out the water. Ground into thick paste without mixing any water. Now add the fenugreek leaves. I took half bunch washed fenugreek leaves with stem. Now chop roughly the fenugreek leaves. Dals are rich in fiber and protein and leaves are rich in vitamins and nutrients. Now add a teaspoon salt as per your taste and quarter teaspoon roasted cumin powder, juice of half medium size lemon. You can replace the lemon juice with chaat masala. Knead with your hand, mix well and prepare some small tikki before it frying. Turn on the heat, put a small kadai and add appropriate amount of oil. Check the heat of the oil. When the oil is smoky hot, reduce the heat and put the tikki one by one. While doing this step, be careful. You can use spatula. Set until the bottom is set and fry it lightly brown color. Then turn it over. Fry the other side until the tikkis are golden brown color. Our tikki is done. Serve this yummy tikki on a rainy day with a cup of tea. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.